The 3 mistakes you will make as a home seller coming up next.
Your trusted real estate source, one video at a time.
Hey guys, welcome back. Alex here. If this is your first time tuning into my YouTube channel, welcome. I post videos 3 times a week, every Monday, Wednesday, Friday, so definitely think about subscribing if you want to learn more about real estate. Now in this video, I'm going to give you the 3 common mistakes that you will make as a home seller when you put your house on the market for sale. Now the first mistake I see home sellers make is they put their house on the market for way too much money. Now this is a very, very costly mistake. For example, say you list your house for 1.4 million and the real market value is $1 million. Okay, so your realtor did a comparative market analysis and it suggests you should list your house for $1 million. Now, say your house sits on the market for multiple months without an offer and you do not reduce the price. What is going to happen? The psychology of a buyer, they're going to see maybe it's been on for 100 days on the market with no offers. They're going to walk through the house and they're going to ask themselves, what is wrong with this property? Why has it not sold? It's a beautiful property. Okay, and what's going to happen is, okay, their realtor is going to look at information. Technology is so good with analyzing, the value of property, okay, that the buyer is going to realize this property is probably only worth $1 million. Let's offer them $950 and see if they will counter. So what would happen if you initially listed it for $1 million is you would bring all the buyers into that property because they would realize it's at a good value, okay, and you could probably get multiple offers, if not one solid offer within that first month. Now believe me, I hear it all the time, sellers saying, let's just start high and see what happens. That is totally incorrect and it's gonna hurt you down the road, I guarantee it. You need to have a realtor prepare a CMA, comparative market analysis, which will compare sold properties, pending properties, active properties, and even expired properties, okay, and then come up with a price that will result in the most amount of buyers coming to your property and the most amount of offers submitted is what you want, because you want premium pricing, and that's only done through multiple offer situations. Second mistake you're gonna make as a home seller is putting personal items in your house and not taking them out once your house is on the market. Now I'm referencing family photos, memorabilia, anything that would deter a buyer away from viewing the property as if they were gonna buy it. You need to remove those items and your realtor should suggest that to you before you put your house on the market. The last thing a buyer wants to see is a family photo or you going to a party in Cabo. They don't care. They want to see a clean house that is tidied up, decluttered, and they can envision themselves moving into that house. Now the last one I want to cover, and I do experience it a lot with people that have been in their house for multiple years, they've raised their kids and now they're ready to downsize, is they're so emotionally attached. Now this can be very, very dangerous when you're trying to sell your home, because you're gonna think your home is the best. Why did my neighbor get $1 million? Why can't I get 1.2? Okay, now what you need to realize is you need to put all that aside. You need to realistically look at your house compared to other houses and talk with an experienced real estate agent to come up with the price that you should set when you list your home. Some other issues I come across when you're so emotionally attached is maybe you want buyers that want your house exactly how it is. In reality, maybe it's outdated and people are gonna wanna renovate it, tear down walls, and some people that are so emotionally attached, they don't wanna sell their house to a buyer like that because they've had so many great memories in their house. So you need to know this before you go into selling your house, and you need to accept the fact that this is a business transaction. You've had all your memories in that house, and now it's time to sell the house and get the best possible offer. Now I know this can be very, very difficult to do, especially if you lived in your house for 10, 20, 30, even 40 or 50 years maybe. But having the right mindset before you go through the process of putting your house on the market and selling it to a buyer will benefit you, and it's only going to leave you with more money in your pocket at the end of the day. So that's my top 3 mistakes that I see home sellers make when they put their house on the market. Now, probably my top one is home sellers being too emotionally attached if they lived in their property for multiple years. What you need to understand is you need to have the right mindset before you put your house on the market and accept the fact that you are going to sell your property. As always, guys, I appreciate the support, and we'll see you guys in the next video. We'll see ya.